Today, I'd like to show you how effortless it is to make a delicious sponge cake using the Itaberco Neutral Sponge Cake Mix. A reliable sponge cake recipe is the foundation of many bake shop and high volume establishment menus. Having a recipe that is consistent, delicious, and that can serve multiple applications is critical for any pastry chef or baker. Thankfully, the Itaberco Sponge Cake Mix produces a consistent product with maximum results and minimal preparation time. Additionally, the sponge cake mix can be flavored using any one of the Itaberco flavor compounds, creating versatility and flexibility for your dessert program or cake menu. To start, place the water and neutral flavored oil in the bowl of a stand mixer. Next, add the cake mix to the liquids. Place the bowl of your stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment and mix on low speed for about 2 minutes to hydrate the ingredients. Stop and scrape the bowl to ensure that all the dry ingredients have been hydrated. With the mixer at medium-high speed, whip the batter until it reaches the ribbon stage. Once the cake batter is at the ribbon stage, add your Itaberco flavor compound of choice at a ratio of 5 to 8% and gently fold it into the batter until completely combined. Pour the batter into greased and prepared cake pans of your choice. Bake the cakes in a preheated 325-degree Fahrenheit oven until they are golden brown and spring back when the center is pressed or when an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool completely on a cooling rack before unmolding. Wrap baked cakes in plastic wrap and store at room temperature for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 6 months. The Itaberco Sponge Cake Mix is an excellent addition to any pantry for bake shops or high-volume enterprises. It creates a beautifully airy and flavorful cake, making it perfect for decorated cakes or any dessert application your creative mind devises. A sponge cake mix with minimal preparation time and maximum flexibility? Now that's an ingredient for a sweeter life.